Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So LinkedIn has this wonderful tool on how to know how well your post performed on the platform. So it's like your analytics. Every social media platform has it now. So how to locate it? This is your feed, or click here and come to view profile. When you come here, just scroll down and you will see amount of people that have viewed your profile. But this is just like for the premium version. But click show all analytics, right? So this is how you can check for your posts. I've not created a post for a long time. So that's why it's just like this. So let's say for my post impressions, this is how you can tell how your post performed. Um, Now, let's say this is for 7 days. Let's say for the past 14 days. So it will show you results for the past 14 days. And if you want to see it for the past 60 days, you will see better results, right? You will see better results from your post. This was the post I did 2 months ago. And if I want to view the analytics, you can see it got over 2,000 impressions. And it reached now 912 members on the platform. And you can see my comments and my reactions. So I got over 2,000 impressions on this post alone. Um, and also you can see other things here, the people that viewed the post, right? So let's go back, and you can do it for, like I said, 7, 14, and 265 days, just to have an idea how your post is performing. Right. So this year I had over um 200,000 impressions. Although I didn't post much this year. You can see, I think this was the beginning of this year. You can see I got this amount of impression from one post, just one post. That's really crazy. Um yeah, and it reached over 156,000 people. And this is how you can know, okay, this post performed well. Why did this post not perform? That's how to check your post analytics to know what you should do better. And you can see there are some posts here that did really good. This did over 465. You understand? So you can see more. So you can either repurpose this for later. There are a lot of posts I did this year that did really well. You can see more. This is at the beginning of this year. You can see more posts that you can work with. You get. So yeah, here's how to go about it.